Okay, so changing percentages to multipliers and to calculate using these. Now, what this means, well, what we have here, multiplier, that is the percentage divided by 100. So it's just turned into a decimal. So we take any percentage, so let's say 72% as a multiplier, you do divide 100 and you get 0.72. If we had even, let's say 24%, so we want to turn it to a multiplier, we divide by 100, and that is 0.24. Or even if we had 98%, turn it into a multiplier, divide by 100, and you get 0.98. All right. So if you want to calculate using these, what you'll have is, so say let's do example. All right, so 32% of 50. What you do is you find you take your percentage, so 32. I'll change colour there. So 32, you divide that by 100 to get 0.32. And then once you got that, that's your multiplier. That's what you're using. You do then 0.32 times by that original number, so by the 50. Now you could do that on the calculator, but the answer should be 16. So we do a second example. I'll do this here. So say we want to find 24% of 70. So we take the 24 here and we want to divide that by 100. So 24 divided by 100, and that gives you 0.24. And then we take that 0.24 and we multiply it by your amount again. So we times that by 70 and I'm just getting a calculator here. So 0.24 times 70 gives you an answer of 16.8. Now, if you want to do a percentage increase using a multiplier, so percentage increase, now let's do here, so increase 80 by 16%. So once again, you start off by turning that percentage into a multiplier. So we're going to do 16 divided by 100 to get 0.16. Now, because it's an increase, what we do is we do 1 add to our multiplier. So it's 1 plus 0.16 to get 1.16. Then once you have this number, 1.16, you times it by that, your 80, your original number. So once again, you could use a calculator for this. So 1.16 multiplied by 80, and it gives me 92.8. Now we do one more example, just hopefully so you get it. I'm going to increase 24 by 32%. So once again, you start off, turn that percentage into a multiplier by dividing by 100. So 32 divided by 100 equals 0.32. Because it's an increase, we do 1 added to this. So 1 plus 0.32 to get 1.32. Then we take our 1.32 and we multiply it by this original number there. So by that number, so 24, Once again, you could use your calculator. So 1.32 multiplied by 24, which gives us an answer of 31.68.